to achieve dominance in the air, on land, at sea, in space, and in cyberspace. The Department of Defense is building an Internet of Things, a digital network of connected technologies, a system of many systems acting as one. For ABMS On-Ramp 2, a joint team working in conjunction with 70 industry partners and 65 military units at more than 30 locations, to include 4 test ranges and 2 combatant commands, put these emerging technologies to the test. Simulating a peer adversary attack on the U.S. homeland, Blue Force countered the threat using ABMS-enabled platforms, providing situational awareness of the all-domain battlespace, while commanding, controlling, and communicating to joint warfighters throughout North America. The scenario began with a simulated attack on our space assets, designed to degrade our ability to detect and deter incoming threats to the continent. After joint forces countered those efforts on the high side and the high seas, the adversary commenced a conventional attack on the homeland, posturing to launch a barrage of cruise missiles from air, land, and surface vessels. Once again, using ABMS technologies, multi-domain battle managers saw and countered these aggressive actions with rapid, data-centric, artificial intelligence-driven countermeasures. But some of those surrogate cruise missiles made it off the rails and into the air. And at White Sands Missile Range, a live-fire test of emerging defensive technologies shot at and shot down those threats using ABMS digital architecture. And finally, to round out the day in a stunning display of agile combat employment capabilities, on-ramp participants showed how edge computing and robust wireless data pathways over a 5G network can enable an operations center to be anywhere, helping friendly forces fight farther, faster, smarter, and better by utilizing 21st century digital warfighting technology. ABMS On-Ramp 2 pushed the limits of rapid digital combat connectivity, proving that through sensor-to-shooter technology, the joint force can and will achieve all domain superiority.